Man, this is nice. What are you looking at? Oh man, we're live? Oh, $2,500 a month in passive income. What would you do with that kind of extra money as a side income? You're bored, and I can see it in your eyes. But before you skip, would you like to discover a proven and solid method to turn $1 into $2,500 a month, fully recurring income? I want to say much love for being dedicated to staying with me. Those kind of people who skipped weren't a good fit for being successful anyway. They'd rather chase the next shiny object, watch another how to make money online video, but never take action, or just watch dog videos. But you're unique. I want you to say to yourself, why do you want more money? This will keep you motivated when the going gets tough, since this isn't a scam, so I would never ever promise you'll make money instantly. But if your drive is more than just wanting money, and you and I both know you have the power to conquer your current situation, there is one problem. The product that can make you $2,500 a month passively online has a barrier to entry. First, you must be determined to take action, making your money and life that you desire. And second, you will need $1. Now, I know you have the second one since you're watching this video, but do you have number one, the drive to seriously achieve your dreams? Here's a story. You have friends, family, job, luxuries, necessities, and many more expenses. Wouldn't it be better if you could pay all these things off with a simple and reliable passive income online? You probably said yes. So what's stopping you from doing this on your own? Whatever barrier you're thinking of, I want you to eliminate it and say it's not true. Go on, say it now. It's not true. I will make money online. I am rich. Say it now. Now, I'll clear up some smoke. I'm not going to sell you a cheeky $997 course, or give you some risky investment advice, or scam you into giving me your money. You have to look within and believe in yourself that you have what it takes to climb out of whatever problem you are in. Maybe it's health problems, bills, debts, paying for your child to have a better life, getting out of poverty, or buying private jets. It doesn't matter. You have what it takes. But this is where we all get serious and take action. I have customized an entire book that is surrounded around your circumstances you are in and how you can make $2,500 a month recurring by leveraging the power of the internet. What's the catch? None. No secret premium, no upsell, no holding back information, no fluff, and no obvious ways like mow your neighbour's lawn. I'm here to make you an income that will change your life. Now, you're wondering, who am I? My name is Elliot, and I'm the CEO of Adventago. I have been interested in making money online since I was 14 years old, and I've been scammed more than $5,000 in online courses. But it was a great situation because now I can offer you the do's and don'ts in making money online, so you don't have to go through those pitfalls. This is why you should get the book. From me to you, my book is called Work at Home Internet Secret Jet Set. This is your full map to making your first $2,500 fully passive online. And what's great is that $2,500 is just the starting point. What if you were to get the book and work even better and get to $6,500 or $10,000? You're on your way to becoming a millionaire. Great job. For you to still be here, I know you're skeptical or you're interested, but let's recap. You get simple and guided teaching from someone who has been scammed $5,000 in online courses. So you can say I know a thing or two. You get the roadmap to making a full stream of income online. There are no hidden tricks or scams when you use $1 to get this book. And it's only $1. Come on, you can't even get a Starbucks for that kind of money, yet you can make $2,500 online. The choice is yours. You can ask someone for $1. That's how easy it is. The only reason this book won't work for you is if you don't take action. You have two choices. I love you for watching to the end, but your life will still be the same. Or you can buy a simple $1 book with no strings attached that will transform your life. It's up to you. I don't need the money. I already have my best life and I'm living it right now. I'm just giving it away for $1 because I can. But if you want to change for others you care about and your life, click the link in the description or around this video and start climbing your way to wealth. Come on, my friend, the book is only $1 for a physical and digital copy that you can take anywhere you go, and it has a really eye-opening sequence that no one is talking about. And you can make a passive income stream online. I hope you grab this book before others own it first, or else you'll be left behind. What if you have the regret of saying, if only I spent just $1 on this book and it worked? Could I really turn down that kind of opportunity? Look, it's just this $1. Click here now to grab your own copy of Workout Home Secrets Jet Set and start taking control of your finances. Link in description around this video. Click now.